Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Fog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Friends, there is a good news because many aspirants were waiting for this CTET online applications to start, right? So they have posted this information bulletin in the CBSE website now. So if you click it, you will get this information bulletin. So as per this information bulletin, the duration of online application is till December 18th. So from today, that is 27th November 2025, the online applications have started. You can apply till 18th December till 11:59 p.m. You have the time. Okay. And date of examination is 8th February 2026, which comes on Sunday. Okay. So paper 2 is in the morning shift and paper 1 is in the evening shift. So quickly let us scroll down this information bulletin, what all they have given here. So they have given the website also, ctet.nic.in. There you can apply online through this website. And then rest all, if you want this PDF file, no, I'll put it in the Telegram group. You can go through there. And your examination fee will be for general category. For only paper 1 or only paper 2, it is 1000 rupees. And if you are applying for both, then it is 1200 rupees. And for SC, ST and differently abled persons, you have 500 rupees for only paper 1 or only paper 2. But if you are writing for both, then you have to pay 600 rupees, and mode of payment also will be online mode only. Okay, you can pay using debit card, credit card, or even net banking is also allowed here. Okay. Then they have also told about this admit card and all that. You can go through. If you have any doubt, then please feel free to ask us about all that doubts. Now just I think today only it has come. We came across this today only. So that's why we just tried to quickly make this video and help you out regarding the structure of the exam. So we all know already, but still we can go through it. For paper 1, you have CDP, Maths, EVS, Language 1 and Language 2 will be there. 150 marks will be there. 30 marks for each topic will be there. Total you will have 150 marks. This is for paper 1. Then about languages also they have mentioned. If you have any doubt, you ask us. Okay. Then for paper 2, you have CDP 30 MCQs and Maths and Science. You have total together 60 MCQs, in which you will have 30 MCQs for Maths and 30 MCQs for Science. Okay. And you will have Language 1 and Language 2. Total 150 marks will be there. You can choose your language. Okay. That thing you can see. It is the as per the rules every year. Same thing only is there. Rest it will be very useful for you for government jobs. Okay. So you should be taking this seriously. After Karnataka TET, you should focus on CTET only. And here they have given the syllabus for paper 1. Same thing is there. Nothing has changed as of my knowledge. Then talking about paper 2 also, let us have a look. CDP, same things only I can see, which they ask every time. That only is there. Maths, same topics. Number system, algebra, geometry, pedagogical issues, all that. And Science also same topics, which is the old syllabus of Karnataka TET. Okay. Okay friends, you can download this PDF from our Telegram channel, or you can go to this website of ctet.nic.in, that is CBSE website it is. So you can just click it and you can apply online. Okay. Thank you. All the best. Bye.